Hey guys, welcome back to MemeCoinNinja, and today I'm going to reveal a step-by-step guide to find and track the insider wallets in the memecoin world. These are the wallets that always seem to buy the right coins right before they pump, hinting that they have the insider knowledge. By the end of this video, you will learn how to find these wallets, track them, and analyze what they are buying to avoid losses and secure those 10x to 100x gains. So before we jump into tracking the insider wallets, we need to first identify the right meme coins because not every coin will have the insider activity. So now go to the Dexscreener and let's start by selecting the Solana chain. Once we are in Solana, look for coins with market cap of about $1 million US. Here's why. Larger market caps indicate that there is a significant money involved, often gives a thumbs up sign for the insider activity. Now let's focus on some specific patterns. Pattern number 1. We are looking for charts that show a coin bottoming out or dying off, then suddenly reviving and skyrocketing. Let me show you an example. See this coin here. It was flat, practically dead for weeks, then out of nowhere it jumped like 20x. This sudden revival often indicates some insider activity. The second pattern is to watch for newer launches that show an initial dip before pumping, but avoid coins that shoot up right from the launch, because these are often sniped by bots and don't present a good buying opportunity. Here is an example of what not to go for. See this specific particular coin. It launched and dipped for a very short period and then suddenly went up. This isn't ideal for tracking the insider wallets. But here is an example for the second pattern, and this was launched a few hours before, and I can see a dip with some good volume of buy order in the last few minutes. Now let's get into the first method to find those insider wallets using the Dexscreener app. Let's pick this coin and go to the Dexscreener chart, and I think this might have some insider involvement. Open the top traders, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the top traders. This gives us a list of wallets that have been actively trading this coin. What we need is to find the wallets that bought during the initial dips, like these wallets. Let's take this specific wallet. You can see this wallet bought at the very beginning of the pump, which is a good sign. Now let's do some more investigation, but we need to vet them more further. To view the transaction history, click on the TAXN to see this wallet's transactions. We want to find wallets that don't have hundreds of transactions. Those are often bots or random traders. Instead, look for wallets with 1 or 2 buys at strategic points. Let's look at this specific wallet's buy. They bought this coin when it was consolidating after a dip, showing some high conviction. This could mean that they had some insider information. Now let's go deeper by clicking on the transactions to view it on Solscan. Here we can check their overall trading activity. If they have multiple early buys and a good win rate, this is a wallet worth of tracking. Now that we have identified a potential wallet, let's vet it using some key criteria. Consistency. We want to track wallets that show a consistent early buys across different coins. Let's go back to Solscan and check this wallet's past threads. If they have several buys that occurred at the start of a pump, that is a good sign. Use the tools for analysis like Zelfi, which is a Telegram bot that analyzes the profitability of a wallet. I have a video specific to Zelfi mentioned in the description below. Now let's do a quick check on this wallet. As you can see, this wallet has been consistently profitable, which makes it a prime candidate for copy trading. But if the wallet is inactive or only trades occasionally, it's not worth tracking, period. We want daily traders who are actively involved in the market. For example, this wallet here trades almost every day, indicating that they might have insider information or some efficient strategy. Click on the link in the description of MemeCoinNinja website, where we have the list of wallets who buy at the very early dip and do trading consistently every day. Now let's move on to the second method using the bird eye. This is a bit more advanced but can be extremely rewarding. First, identify coins that recently pumped. Let's say we find this coin that was dead for a long time and then suddenly pumped like 2x. We want to pinpoint the exact moment when this pump began. Open the bird eye and paste the coin's contract address. Use the time filter to narrow down the transactions to the moment just before the pump started. Note the wallets that made these early buys and cross-reference them on the Dexscreener to see if they have a history of making similar trades. For each wallet, use the method we have covered earlier. Check their balance changes on Solscan and look at how frequently they trade. Look for wallets that are active and have multiple profitable trades. That's all for today, and happy copy trading in MemeCoin. How to receive the live notifications of wallet activity and which wallet tracker is the best will be shared in my next video. Till then, it's signing off from memecoinninja.com. Have a great day.